Hey there!
What?
Do you know where you are?
No.
You just walked into a Bellevue West PSA. Today, we will be learning about appropriate commons behavior.
Sure.
By the end of this video, you'll be serving up success the T-Bird way.
Great.
All you need to remember is TBH. Take initiative, be accountable, and have integrity. Traffic can be frustrating, so make it easier for everyone by keeping right and moving on. Be sure to pick up after yourself and others in the comments. Make sure to get to class on time. Keep your hands to yourself. Walk. And use an appropriate voice. To be a T-Bird, you have to have respect. Treat yourself, others, and teachers with kindness. Be aware of your interactions with others. Use a level voice and avoid inappropriate behavior. Good job. Now you're a master in commons behavior. Go out there and make Bellevue West proud.